We will now determine the standard equation of a circle which has its center at the point 4, 8 and also passes through the point -9, -7. So first let me do a rough sketch of the circle. So this looks like a circle. Put the center as 4, 8 and it passes through the point -9, -7. So maybe I can put it down here because it looks like it is lying in the third quadrant. So it should be here. So first let me write the formula or the standard form of a circle equation, which is given as x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square equals r square, where h comma k are the coordinates of the center and r is the radius of the center. Let's see if we have both this information so that we can plug in into the standard form. We have the center, that is 4, 8 and the radius is not given. So however, if you look at this figure, we can see that the radius is the distance between any point on the circle and the radius and the center of the circle. So basically we have to calculate radius using the distance formula. So I can write down the radius as square root of x1 minus x2. This is the distance formula between any 2 points plus y1 minus y2 quantity square. So I can consider any one point as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. So I'm going to consider x1, y1. Sorry for that. x1, y1 as the center point, that is 4, 8. And the other point, that is x2, y2 equals the point on the circle, that is -9, -7. So I can plug this into this distance formula. So therefore this will become r equals x1 minus x2, which is 4 minus of -9. So this becomes a 4 minus -9, which is 4 plus 9, basically equivalent to 13. So it is a 13 quantity square plus y1 minus y2, which is 8 minus of -7. 8 minus of -7 is 8 plus 7, which is 15. So this becomes 15 quantity square under the root. So you can find this one. This is equivalent to 169. 13 square is 169 plus 15 square is 225. You can plug this into the calculator. So when we add these two, we get 394, the square root. So this is the value of radius. In fact, we can find or we can square both sides. Then we will get radius square is equal to 394. Since in the standard form we have r squared, I have calculated the r squared. Now we just have to plug this information into this standard form. So let me copy the standard form over here, which is x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square equal to r squared. We know that h comma k, which is the coordinate of the center, which is 4, 8. So I can plug in into this standard form. So when I do that, I'll be getting x minus 4 quantity square plus y minus k is 8. So it is 8 square is equal to r square we have already evaluated, which is 394. So this is the standard form of the circle equation, which has its center at 4, 8 and passing through the given point.